Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition skill builders. The lessons we're going to cover today are adding 5, adding 6, adding 7 and adding 8. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So we have already started the chapter addition skill builders in the last session, right? We have already learned how do we add 1, add 2, add 3 and add 4, right? So the basic concept is addition, right? So what is addition? We have already learned this in the last session. That is just a quick review, right? So adding means combining two or more numbers, right? Combining or counting them together, right? Combining two or more numbers, that is addition, right? For example, you have two, this is the sign of the addition, right? 2 plus 3. What is addition? You can 1, 2, 1, 2, this is 2 and this is 3, right? You have to count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 and 3 makes 5. So when you add them, they makes 5. So the correct option is 5, right? That's how you add. So you already learned how do we add 1, add 2, add 3, add 4. So the process is same. You just have to combine the numbers. For example, today we're going to start with adding 5. So basically we're going to learn how do we add 5, 5 plus 2, right? So start with 5 and count until 2. So 5, 5, 6, 7. So the basic, like this is the basic way to add. Start with the greatest number. 5 is greater. So start with 5 and count until 2. So 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 makes 7. So maybe you can add a different way. So the way you already know, either you can make lines, either you can by counting forward. So you can use any method to add, right? The basic thing is you have to add, right? So today we're going to learn adding 5, adding 6, adding 7 and adding 8. They all are exactly same. You just have to combine them, but the numbers are different, right? So let's just start with adding 5. Here is the lesson adding 5. Okay, so here is the example 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 makes, start with 9 and count forward 5, right? So you can add any, either you can make, either you can add 5 lines for 5 and then combine them, or either you have, oh, you already have 9, 9 is a greater number. Start with 9 and count forward 5. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? I just made 5 lines and count them. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9 plus 5 makes 14, right? The correct option is 14. So let's just start with the practice questions. The first one is 6 plus 5. So how do we add? Which is the correct option? Six plus 5. So start with 6 and count forward 5. So which is the correct option? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 makes 11. The correct option is 11. Got it? 6 plus 5 makes 11. The correct option is 11. The next one is 5 plus 5. So which is the correct option? 11, 10, 0 and 5. Which is the correct option? Start with 5 and count forward 5. So the correct option is 5 plus 5 makes 10. Very good. The correct option is 10. Got it? Very good. Okay, the next one is 3 plus 5. So which is the correct option? 5 plus 3 makes. Start with 5, count forward 3. So you end up on the correct option is 8. 5 plus 3 makes 8. The correct option is 8. Very good. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 5, which is the correct option? Start with 7 and count up to 5. So 7 plus 5 makes 7 plus 5 makes. Very good. That is 12. The correct option is 12. Okay, the next one is 5 plus 10. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 15. 10 plus 5 makes. Very good. That is 15. The correct option is 15. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. 8 plus 5 makes 13. The correct option is 13. Okay, the next one is 10 plus 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 10 plus 5 makes 15. The correct option is 15. The next one is 5 plus 2, which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 7. 5 plus 2 makes 7. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 5, which is the correct option? You can use your notebooks to add, do on your notebooks and write the answer in the chat box, right? 9 plus 5 makes, the correct option is 14. Very good. 9 plus 5 makes 14. The next one is 5 plus 0. So which is the correct option? It is 14, not 41. Yes, 5 plus 0 makes 5. So when you are adding any number to 0, the number stays the same, right? 5 plus 0 equals 5. So it doesn't matter what the number is. When you are adding a number to 0, the number remains the same, right? So 5 plus 0 is 5, right? Okay, you can do the rest of the questions from the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to adding 6. So again, the same thing. The process of addition, the concept of addition is same, just the numbers are different. You have to do the same thing for adding 5, adding 6, adding 7, 8 and 9. Whatever the number is, the process is same, right? So you have to do the same thing when you are adding 6. You have to just combining the numbers, right? So let's just start with the first example, that is 6 plus 3. So how do you add? Start with 6 and count forward 3, or either you can make 6 lines and 3 lines, you can count them together, or either you can count them on finger. Any method you know, you can follow any method. The basic thing is you need to add them, right? So 6 plus 3 makes, start with 6, count forward 3 digits, so 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the correct option is 9. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 6 plus 6. So, how do you add and which is the correct option? If you already know the answer, you can please write down the answers in the chat box. So, 6 plus 6 equals. Okay, let's just make 6 lines, 6 plus 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just count together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Basically, you are going to combine these numbers. So 6 plus 6 makes 12. The correct option is, very good, yes, that is 12, right? Okay, the next one is 6 plus 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 8. 6 plus 2 makes 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 6. So, which is the correct option? Start with 8 and count up to 6. So, 8 plus 6 makes. Yes, that is 14. 8 plus 6 makes 14. The next one is 6 plus 3. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 9. 6 plus 3 makes. 9. So the correct option is 9. Okay, the next one is 6 plus 2. So which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That is 8. 6 plus 2 makes 8. Okay, the next one is 6 plus 1. So which is the correct option? Very good. 6 plus 1 is 7. The correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is 10 plus 6. So which is the correct option? Start with 10 and count forward 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 10 plus 6 makes 16. The correct option is 16. Okay, the next one is add 6 plus 4. So which is the correct option? 6 plus 4 makes 6 plus 4 makes very good. That is 10. The correct option is 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. Okay, the next one is 6 plus 0. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 6. 6 plus 0 makes 6. The next one is 8 plus 6. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 plus 6 makes 14. Very good. The correct option is 14. Okay, the next one is 6 plus 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is adding 7. So again, you have to do the same thing, just the numbers are different. Basically, the addition process is exactly same for all the numbers. No matter what the number is, you have to combine them, right? Combine two or more numbers. Let's just start with the lesson that is adding 7. So Okay, let's just start with the first example. So 7 plus 5 makes. Either you can make lines for both 7 and 5. Either you can count them together or either you can count them forward. Start with 7 and count up to 5. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 7 plus 5 makes 12, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 7 plus 1. So which is the correct option? Adding 1 means you have to move to next number, right? You already learned how do we add 1, right? So adding 1 means you move forward by 1 number. So 7 plus 1 is, yes, very good. That would be 8. The correct option is 8. Seven plus 3, which is the correct option? Start with 7 and 7, 8, 9, 10. The correct option is 10. We already know how to add 3, right? Adding 3 means you need to skip 2 of the numbers. So start with 7 and count until 3. So the correct option is, very good, that would be 10. 7 plus 10. The next one is add 2 plus 7. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 plus 2 equals, yes, very good. The correct option is 9. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 9. So which is the correct option? Start with 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 9 lines for 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's just count them together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 makes, yes, it is 16. Got it? So 7 plus 9 makes 16. The correct option is 16. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 0. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 7 plus 0 makes 7. The correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 1. So which is the correct option? So 7 plus 1 is very good. That is 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 7 plus 4 makes 11. So the correct option is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 7. So which is the correct option? 9 plus 7 makes. Yes, the correct option is 16. Very good. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That would be 12. Okay, the next one is 6 plus 7. So 6 plus 7 makes. 6 plus 7 makes. Yes, that is 13. 6 plus 7 makes 13. So the correct option is 13. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 2, which is the correct option? Very good. 7 plus 2 makes 9. So the correct option is 9. The next one is 7 plus 0, which is the correct option? 7 plus 0 is the correct option is 7. It is right. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is Okay, the next one is adding 8. So let's just start with adding 8. Okay, so the first one is 8 plus 0. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 plus 0 is adding 0 to the when you are adding 0 to any number, the number remains the same, right? So 8 plus 0 is 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Eight plus 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is start with 8, count up to 4. So the correct option is very good. That is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. The correct option is 12. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 7. So 8 plus 7 is eight plus 7 equals. The correct option is very good. That is 15. 8 plus 7 makes 15. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 5. So which is the correct option? Very good. 8 plus 5 makes 13 it is, right? Okay, the next one is 8 plus 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, the correct option is 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. The next one is 8 plus 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is 11. So the correct option is 11. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 6, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 14. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 8, which is the correct option? 9 plus 8 equals, the correct option is 9 plus 4 equals, sorry, 9 plus 8 equals, yes, it is 17. So the correct option is 17. Very good. Okay, 8 plus 0 equals, yes, the correct option is 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 8. So which is the correct option? Very good. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So the correct option is 15. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, very good, that would be 9. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 3. So which is the correct option? 8 plus 3 equals, yes, the correct option is 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 8 plus 8, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 16. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The lesson we're working on is addition skill builders, and today we have covered the lessons adding 5, adding 6, adding 7, and adding 8. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. This is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can either join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Or either you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please ask question if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.